So, you've got some Beam and you're ready to cash out? Great. But how exactly do you convert your Beam wallet balance into cold, hard cash that you can spend? Let's dive right in. Understanding Beam and its value. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of conversions, let's quickly recap what Beam is. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency, meaning your transactions are shielded from prying eyes. This added layer of privacy comes with certain advantages, but it also means that converting Beam to fiat currency might require a bit more effort than other cryptocurrencies. The direct approach, exchanges. The most straightforward way to convert your Beam is through a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms allow you to trade your Beam for other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can then be sold for fiat currency. Choose a reliable exchange, research and select a reputable exchange that supports Beam. Look for platforms with strong security measures, good user reviews, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Create an account, sign up for an account on your chosen exchange, and complete the necessary verification steps. This usually involves providing personal information and identity documents. Deposit your Beam. Transfer your Beam from your Beam wallet to your exchange wallet address. Be cautious and double-check the address to avoid any accidental losses. Trade for fiat. Once your Beam is deposited, you can trade it for a cryptocurrency that can be directly converted to fiat. Bitcoin or Ethereum are popular choices. Withdraw fiat. After selling your cryptocurrency, you can withdraw the fiat currency to your bank account. The exchange will typically require you to verify your bank account details before processing the withdrawal. The indirect approach, peer-to-peer trading. If you prefer a more decentralized approach, peer-to-peer, P2P, trading can be an option. Here, you directly trade your Beam with another individual. Find a trading partner, use P2P trading platforms or cryptocurrency forums to connect with potential buyers. Agree on terms, negotiate the exchange rate and payment method with the buyer. Secure the transaction, use escrow services or other security measures to protect both parties involved. Transfer Beam and receive payment. Once the terms are agreed upon, transfer your Beam to the buyer's wallet and receive the agreed upon fiat payment. Security considerations. When dealing with cryptocurrency transactions, security is paramount. Here are some tips to keep your funds safe. Strong passphrase. Use strong, unique passphrase to protect your Beam wallet. Hardware wallets. Consider using a hardware wallet for additional security. Secure exchanges. Choose reputable exchanges with robust security measures. Beware of scams. Be cautious of phishing attacks, fake exchanges, and other scams. Converting Beam to fiat currency can be a bit more complex than other cryptocurrencies due to its privacy-focused nature. However, by understanding the available methods and taking necessary security precautions, you can successfully convert your Beam and enjoy the fruits of your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.